Oh man, I don't know what part of my camera stopped. I'm gonna have to rewatch. But like I said, mud. There's been, it's rained a lot over here. I was trying to go over there. What was I? Correct me if I'm wrong, but most of these times, these lots just sit here with nothing for sale, no for sale sign or nothing. So they just go unattended and everything. I mean, if I had the money, I'd buy this. Put cement here. We have some fun, everybody. Donuts. Whoa. If anybody watches this video, let me know. And I can't believe my camera stopped. I don't think I hit the button. I hope I didn't. I'm gonna have to know what it automatic stop it said. It's like no. So this is the whole building and that's it. So one more time, guys, before we leave, check out everything. Dude, I would fix this. There's a potential here. Potential. Other than roof, but you could fix that. Wow, I didn't see that machine. See? It's just too much. So many old air-conditioned vent. Wow. You don't see those anymore. Wow. That must be the heat or... Wow, the old school lights, everything. Tinted green. The lights. Before you give power again, better check all the electrical. Wow, look at that. I was trying to see if that is a futon. No, what do you call those? Somebody correct me. Like in Tokyo Drift, we have like a second level. The question is, how do you get up there? Dude, how did that glass break like that? That's amazing. Ooh, the old school heat. Look at that. The old school heater with the natural gas. Dude, there's just so many things. How do I get on top of that loft? Yeah, there you go, loft. I think. Well, hope you guys like it. That's about it over there. Old school breaker. Wow, they took everything from the breaker. Whoa. So, hope you guys like it. Try something new today. Now we say our farewell. All right, say your farewell. Now if the camera stopped automatic, I'm sorry, but please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. And if anybody's selling this, let me know. I'll buy it. Let's talk. Let's make some payments. I'm looking for a garage. This is perfect potential atmosphere. I'll probably keep the building like this. So we're gonna do some new videos. So hope you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned. Bye. Bye.